Oh, hello there. I didn't see you. Why don't you come with me? Nature. Don't you love it? I especially love when I'm exploring my beautiful property and I come across a wild Bud Light can. Sometimes I just like to ignore the Bud Light and explore the rest of my property over my beautiful winding stream of trickling water. That is, of course, until I'm acquainted by yet another beautiful can of Bud Light. Don't you just love the sound of rippling water? Sometimes you can even hear the faint coughing in the distance of what I like to call the rare, common, endangered cigarette smoker. Yes, that's right. And it doesn't stop there. My property is full of beautiful babbling brooks just like these. But that's not all to see on this wonderful land here. No, no, no. Sometimes you can even find an old belt, discarded, strung up on a tree, like someone's old underwear, or maybe their belt. Coming further, you can see more beautiful, crystal clear water, and what's that? An old bottle of beer or whiskey? Oh, what a rare treat that is. We can even explore more, coming further, deep into the woods, to find beautiful lakes and a boot. Still has the wonderful odor of rotting homeless man's feet. Just look at how wonderful this land is. So grand to be blessed with it. Especially when you get to the point at which the greedy land developer turns it all into roads. Roads as far as the eye can see. Never would have expected that in the middle of nowhere, would you? No, no, no. Neither would I. This has been Wilderness Adventures with Tiffany.